Look no further than the 2021 Land Rover Defender. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, heated front seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.